question. Teddy, you met Pharrell when he was just a teenager. You got a chance to take this ride with him, see him develop as a man, as a husband, father, and one of our greatest producers ever. What is it like for you to see that evolution? And I'm going to ask you the same question after Teddy.
It's like a father being proud. It's like a father being proud and just letting him soar, keep going.
Yeah.
And at the same time, it keeps me going. You know, when people come to me and say, man, you're a part of this guy's life. What does it feel like? Well, it feels amazing. I can actually rest.
I knew this was going to work.
You know, me and Pharrell kind of like grew together. Like we kind of like, you know what I'm saying? He had, you know, his success with Teddy. He had his success with Total. He had his success with a couple of other people.
Everybody.
But then when he came to me, he said he wanted to be on camera. This is what that was his sentiment. That was his blessing, that he wanted to be on camera. And I said, I saluted it. I was like, you know what? I believed in him. I know it sounds like cliche now, but I did it.
Yeah.
It's an actual fact. I put him in the video. It's documented, and I love that, man. And I'm just so proud. I'm so proud I'm doing well, because had I not been, I'd be a mad motherfucker right now.
Up here talking about y'all. Oh man, you know.
So I'm glad. I'm salute, man. Salute to you, Teddy, too, as well, man.
In this movie, what did something that you hope in this movie that you see that you'll find out about Pharrell that you may not have known?
I don't think there's anything, because I know he's capable of doing anything and everything. So nothing will surprise me. Nothing will surprise me. To be a part of it, that's a surprise.
There you go.
To be a part of it, that's a surprise. And to hear my voice, that's another surprise. I was like, I did this shit 5 years ago.
Yeah, me too.
I didn't know what this shit was going to be about.
I didn't know what it was going to be.
And the guy was like, I can't even tell you.